The Weather Channel is brought to you by this cable or satellite provider. You can also get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel through this radio station or visit weather.com.
Between tailgating and the post-game party, get your football forecast at weather.com. Now, your local on the 8th.
A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 54 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, rain with a few rumbles of thunder. Wet snow may mix in late. Low 36. Winds northeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Locally heavy rainfall possible. On Thursday, windy with a mix of rain and snow. Some sleet may mix in. High 39. Winds north-northeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. 3 to 5 inches of snow expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Thursday night, some rain or sleet may mix in early. Snow heavy at times. Low 30. Chance of snow 90%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. The week ahead